Hi guys, I am back and here's the moment you've all been waiting for. Yes, I'm doing the flush of my new tank. So here's the toilet bowl and the buttons. I'll give you a look inside. Let me just pull the tank off and there's everything. It's just pretty much the same except with water. Now I'm going to put this back on. There we go. Lift this up. Now we turn the water on. You can see that. Now I'll give it a flush, a half flush. That only needs a tiny bit of water, but when it's completely full, it's going to use a whole bunch of water when you press the larger button. It's going to use more water, and I can show you that. And I'll show you another flush. And zoom in. Okay, ready for a flush? Here we go. The difference on how much longer it lasts. Now I'm going to do a close-up where it's full of water. Wait for the focus. There we go. Now, here's a half flush. It's basically the same thing. So now we are going to be flushing a baggie and these 3 clips. Where's the third one? Here we go. So, I'm going to do a full flush because I really don't want it to clog. So there goes the bag. There's 1 clip, 2 clip, 3 clip. Now let's give it a flush. Did it all go down? There's all 3 clips came out, but I don't think the bag came out. I'm going to give it another flush. See what happens. Flush, that was a half, and did it come out? Yep, everything's right there. So, now, I'm going to be doing a flush from the inside of the tank. See what brand is? No. It is filling right now. I don't know if you can see that. But there's half flush. I'm doing a half flush. And watch how much water it uses. Let me tilt it that way so you can see. Focus. Yeah. And there's the brand Water Ridge. Focus. Now, there's the water line, and watch how much water goes down. And obviously you heard it second. Now I'm going to do it full flush, and then let's see how much water I'm just going to get this. And you don't really need to do that way. Now here's a full flush. Watch, look how much more water it uses. And half flush only goes to right there. And the full flush goes all the way down there. Right. So that way just keep it tight. So yeah. So I'm gonna put the tank lid back on. Do 1 more flush, and then later I'll upload another video. So I'm gonna give it 1 more flush. 3, 2, 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please like my video. Bye.